Look at this. This tractor can barely keep its front wheels on the ground. It's carrying 600 bags of potatoes, and every single bag weighs 55 kilograms. This Mahindra is lugging 33 tons worth of potatoes. Here we've got a tractor that's in real trouble. It's almost completely submerged in water. I don't know how these guys managed it, but it's pretty impressive.
ভিডিও করার লাগি আছে মূল্যবান লাগি আছে
আমি এটো WhatsApp কথা বলে
Pushing the weeds away. Who's going to tell him that's not going to work?
রাস্তা চলাবলে নেপায় পানিতে
Alright, here we have a Ford 3610 tractor. This one's barely got enough power to move at all. This driver's working hard, but the tractor is definitely working harder.